If the project was right, yeah. I mean, not to RT Radio because I'm committed to News Talk, but if RT Television had a use for me that I found attractive and exciting to do, I'd do it.
So it all depends on the project, really.
Yeah. Something that would suit me in terms of what I do. I mean, I'm not going to be presenting the Rose of Tralee. I'm happy at this time to keep myself pretty flexible and fluid. Television here, as you probably know, as you do know, it's so fluid now with the departure of Dave McRedmond from TV3 because Liberty have taken over the reins there. We see that Air, strange kind of a name, that EIR, Air taking over Setanta. We know that Vodafone are going to be embarking on their own television service, whatever form that takes. So there's a lot happening. We'll have the changing of the guard next year in RTE with a new Director General. So who knows what the future will bring, and I'm happy to be floating around. I mean, I've still very good relations with UTV and with RTE. I mean, I haven't burnt any bridges, and some of my best friends are people within those organisations. So.